smells skunk.
That one's really dead. Oh, got a little bit of water. It got a little bit of water.
Got a duck on the pond. Got a duck on. I got a dance nice and green. Mowed it. Everything got mowed is green.
This was where, no, behind us is where Misha found the antler. But we've never been. And it's really hard to plan what you want when A, you don't know. So this is where I was talking about having a 1 year, a 2 year, a 3 year, a 5 year plan.
What I'd like to do is clean it up and find the secret spot while I'm cleaning it up.
Well, and maybe that's what we do is we just start getting familiar with it, because it's not that there's trash. There is just a bunch of like brush and shrubs and like sticks and woods and old trees and stuff that need to be cleaned up. So I don't actually think it would be that hard to do. It's just going to be you're going to have to section it off and do it in sections because it's just too much. Not to mention, once it gets hotter out, I mean, I guess you could start like first thing in the morning, you know?
Like locust or thorny.
I liked your idea about the wood chipper. Joe said that there's water down here and I want to go see it because it's been so dry. We've been in a drought. And so our last year's monsoon, we did not get like we were supposed to. So I have a feeling like last year when I didn't get to see any water on the property, that would be why. So I'm super interested to see where the creeks and the water flows on the land. Because I think we got 2 inches the other day. Oh, yeah. Look, it goes all the way over. Yeah.
It's neat.
It's very neat.
What kind of tree is this?
I don't know.
That like it could be an old oak.
Well, it's getting water from somewhere.
The creek. There's moss on the rock. This is nice back here.
It's very nice back here. Look how cute little Red looks. Hopping through the forest. So he's gonna put the trailer into the shipping container.
Help me? Yeah. I got this side of you. These are good bad.
Just come straight back. Go forward and then come straight because it's going this way. You're gonna hit. You're gonna hit right here. Okay, you're in. Throw the jack down and then we can straighten it out by hand. Good job. That was sketch. All right, we got the trailer in. We are gonna keep checking things off the to-do list. Until next time, we hope this encourages somebody to buy dirt, not diamonds. And as always, you know we're praying blessings on you. We'll see you soon.
Did we check there? Any visitors?
Oh, the auger's out still.
What's up, auger?